I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come home with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now that's it, open, let's see you get lost.
Every year as you go through the program, you gain more confidence. But I think as a team, we kind of developed more consistency and started to see that we might not be the most athletic or the biggest team, but we started to see where our strengths were and how to best utilize those strengths. And I think even though our wins didn't increase a ton every year, I think we always saw that we were playing better at the end of each season. That helped us into the next year. So I feel pretty good about where we're leaving the program now.
One of the biggest things for the team to build off next year and the years following is just, we haven't won, a ton of games this year, but, like you said, we've been in a lot of games. And we've had a lot of times where we've been playing really well with really good competition. So we just got to take that into next year, know that, we were really close in a lot of these games and that they definitely have the talent next year. I mean, they're bringing back almost everyone to beat those teams.
Just watch.
Two things. First is kind of the individual side of it. Kareem has obviously had a huge year and has emerged as one of the best posts in the conference. Dylan's playing great like always. Kyle's come on as it's not just a three-point shooter, but probably one of the best guys on our team who can get to the basket.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 oh.
Yeah, so our last game, it's tough to end our career. It's been a lot of fun, but definitely looking forward to the last game and having fun again, hopefully picking up a win and just competing and playing hard, knowing that it's the last time we'll be out there.
Call the police and the firemen, I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man, I'm too hot. Big say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. Am I paying about that money? Break it down. Girl, sit you hallelujah. Girl, sit you hallelujah. Girl, sit you hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch.
All right, if I could give one piece of advice to the returning players for next year, I'd say definitely enjoy the experience. It's been tough these last few weeks knowing that my basketball career is coming to an end, so enjoy that because it'll go by really quickly. And then on the court, just having confidence and believing in each other and recognizing each other's strengths. We have a lot of great players on this team.